This is I'm Deepa Pankaj here in my house, Sahadeva Mandiram. This is Sahadeva Mandiram kitchen, not anywhere else. Not Subramanian's house or anything. And this is the way to our washroom. And these criminals are what you know. These criminals will be forcing our power, cut our power when someone, my mom will be going that side. That time, these criminals will cut the power. Somehow these criminals will cut the power. Then when she comes, after she coming only, these criminals will on. Why? Because these criminals are editing some hidden camera or something is there so that when they are going, it will be recorded. While coming, it won't get recorded. This is what these criminals are doing, something like that actually. To create stories, someone is going, someone is coming, someone is coming inside. Something, such type of drama these criminals are doing. This is my kitchen, Sahadeva Mandiram, Pallikal Naduvile Muri, Bharanika village. This is my own house. And these criminals that Vrindavan criminal used to come actually, that a daughter-in-law of this Savarana Mandiram, she will be acting as if being doing impersonation, a criminal activity. And even her son is a criminal actually. You can see this sugar is some watery. Some these criminals are someone is adding some acid in my sugar actually. ഇതിനകത്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ നല്ല ക്രിസ്റ്റലായിട്ടുള്ള ഈ ഇത് കിടക്കുന്നത് ഇങ്ങനെ